First day at a new school.
First day at a new school.
Don't forget to repeat.
Don't forget to repeat.
Are you new here?
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Is this your first year in college?
Is this your first year in college?
I actually transferred here from another school.
I actually transferred here from another school.
Which school?
Which school?
I transferred from PCC.
I transferred from PCC.
How do you like it here compared to PCC?
How do you like it here compared to PCC?
I love it here.
I love it here.
Do you like it better here or at PCC?
Do you like it better here or at PCC?
Don't get me wrong. I like it here, but PCC is better.
Don't get me wrong. I like it here, but PCC is better.
So, why did you leave PCC?
So, why did you leave PCC?
Because I got my AA, and I'm now working towards my bachelor's degree.
Because I got my AA, and I'm now working towards my bachelor's degree.
You're new here, right?
You're new here, right?
Yes, I am new.
Yes, I am new.
Is this your first semester?
Is this your first semester?
I just transferred from another school.
I just transferred from another school.
What school did you transfer from?
What school did you transfer from?
I came here from PCC.
I came here from PCC.
Do you like it here so far?
Do you like it here so far?
I am really enjoying it here so far.
I am really enjoying it here so far.
Which is better, here or PCC?
Which is better, here or PCC?
I think PCC is a lot better than here.
I think PCC is a lot better than here.
Why didn't you just stay at
Why didn't you just stay at PCC?
I graduated, and now want to get a BA.
I graduated, and now want to get a BA.
You must be new.
You must be new.
As a matter of fact, I am.
As a matter of fact, I am.
Have you just started college?
Have you just started college?
No. I transferred here from a different school.
No. I transferred here from a different school.
What school?
What school?
I transferred here from PCC.
I transferred here from PCC.
Do you like it here?
Do you like it here?
I really like it here so far.
I really like it here so far.
Do you like it better here or at PCC?
Do you like it better here or at PCC?
I like PCC better.
I like PCC better.
If that's the case, then why did you leave?
If that's the case, then why did you leave?
I graduated, and am working towards my next degree.
I graduated, and am working towards my next degree.
Thanks for talking with me.
Thanks for talking with me.
I wish you a very good day.
Bye. Wish you a very good